If you want to learn how to do this simple, easy sunset makeup look, then keep watching. First off, I'm going to be using the B Cosmetics Pre-Makeup Primer and applying this to the face. The Rimmel London Lasting Radiation Medium Coverage Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 100 Ivory, and applying this to all my face using a damp beauty blender. With the same beauty blender, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Concealer and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C2. And I'm applying this where you would normally apply concealer, so under the eye and the forehead. Then we're going to bake. Today I'm using the Revolution Lace Baking Powder, and I'm going to put this where we put our concealer. Before we do eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyes with the concealer that I used before. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the Morphe X James Charles palette, and we're going to take this yellow shade here and put it in the crease and blend it onto the lid. I'm using the Beauty Play brushes in the brush round the blend. Then we're going to take this orange shade here and put it in the crease just to darken up. Using the same brush. Take a smaller brush, this is on point, and just to put that orange onto my eyeline. And then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a red kind of sparkly colour, and put that in the inner corner, just to add a little bit of colour in the inner corner. one eye done, so I'm going to do the other eye on off camera and I'll be back to finish off the look. Go in with the PS HD Fanatic Ultra Define Lashes Extreme Black Mascara from Primark. Mascara dry, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade Red Rum. Lipstick, you're going to wipe off all your powder before doing highlight. For highlight, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Lovely and Glow in the shade On My Gold, which is this. I like to use my finger and then use a fan brush to blend it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do what you do, and I'll see you guys in my next video.